guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't have to make breakfast today. Chef Frankie made breakfast. So what do we have here? We have avocado, eggs, and 2 sausage links. The sausages are from Costco. Really great deal, lots of fats. Big huge avocado and some scrambled eggs. That is his specialty. So for today's keto what I eat in a day, we're gonna go ahead and have our quick breakfast and our keto coffee, which I'll link down below, or in the description box I'll put what I put in my keto coffee. If anybody has some great iced coffee recipes where I can include the fats, that would be great, because I've been wanting iced coffee, but I like to use iced coffee as a way to add in my fats. So if anybody has some that aren't too complicated, looking for that as the weather's getting nicer here. So we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy breakfast, and then I'll let you guys know if I have any snacks today. Hey guys, it's a dinner time and I'm excited, but before dinner I did have a little snack. Honestly, was a little snack. I wasn't too hungry, but we did go for a run and then I got a little bit hungry. So one of my favorite keto snacks is prosciutto. If you love prosciutto, if you love cold cuts, you're gonna love this. This is actually the brand from Aldi, so they have the Appleton Farms. The other brand I actually like a little bit better. It's like just $1 more. They're always sold out if you're in Chicago, in the Wicker Park Aldi, the one right there on, I think, Milwaukee. But this one's just as good too. I just prefer the other one a little bit better because it's saltier, but if you don't like it salty, you're probably gonna love this one just as much. So I just had a slice of this. Maybe I'll sneak another slice while I'm cooking, because who doesn't eat while they cook? But that was my snack. I actually didn't have a second coffee today. But what we are making today are shrimp tacos. And this is going to be the first time that I make shrimp tacos, so you'll be making them for me. You'll be making them with me for the first time. And if you want to make me some shrimp tacos, go ahead and, just curbside pickup, let me know, text me. But that's what we're going to make today. And I was looking at different recipes. I was following the different keto people on Instagram. Keto Sony, I think Keto Gal Sarah had one, but they just look so delicious. And I've just been craving shrimp tacos. So the first thing that I did, and my second round is almost finished, is prepare my cheese tortillas. So I have my tortillas over here. Actually, I won't pick them up, but you can kind of see them right here. And all I did, if you guys missed my last video, I forgot what did I make. I think it was with huevos con chorizo. I forgot what, but it's super easy. All you need is some mozzarella cheese. And usually I do maybe about half a cup of the mozzarella cheese. This one I get from Costco. And you got to put it on parchment paper, not aluminum foil, unless it's non-stick aluminum foil, because then your tortillas are gonna stick. But about maybe half a cup or less if you want them a little bit smaller of mozzarella cheese. And today I mixed it up a little bit. I added just a sprinkle of some sharp cheddar on top, not too much, just the tiniest bit, just to add some flavor dimensions to it. You can add other things like seasoning. So I'm making those right now. I made a round right now for me and Frankie, and I'm making the last 2. So I think we're gonna have about 3 shrimp tacos each. We'll see. And I put those in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And I think in the oven, definitely 10 minutes is perfect time, as opposed to, if you guys seen it before, in my, the little toaster oven. I forgot the word for toaster oven. The toaster oven, I feel like I need to put them a little bit higher, 375, maybe for 12 minutes or so. But that's what I did right now. Now let's start preparing the shrimp tacos, or the shrimp. All right, so I've already got my shrimp here, and I bought these when Jewel had a sale. It was about $12.99 for 2 pounds. So I was like, hell yeah, anytime they have that sale, that's one of their best shrimp sales. So this is about a pound of shrimp. I used the other pound already to make some shrimp scampi. Let me know if you want to see my shrimp scampi video. I can, do that for you guys next sale. One of my other favorite shrimp recipes, super easy, but for today, shrimp tacos. So let's see. Let's go in with some pink salt. Season those. And these are already, peeled and deveined. They actually came like that in the bag, which is awesome. All that I did was just remove the little tail because, I'm going to have it in shrimp taco. I'm not trying to remove anything. Next, let's add a little bit of black pepper. Not too much, because one of the seasonings probably already has it. Your girl's got to have some garlic, even though one of them already has it. But, I can't have too much garlic. And I'm just going to use my hands Get that all around. And next season, you probably just honestly use this, but this is a Tony how you say it? Original Creole recipe. And we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle a lot of that. Oh yeah. So it kind of has like those other things, but I just want to make sure we're nice and coated. Oh wait, okay, we're gonna start sneezing. All these peppers. Who else? I was like, I swear, it's the peppers. Oh yeah. I mean, a breaded shrimp taco recipe would be good. Ooh, I've been breading with pork rinds. Maybe I should do that one next. And then next, just for fun, I'm gonna add a little bit of the paprika. Just a little bit. I've never made them. I've just been eyeballing what people have. And I was like, yeah, let's add a little bit of this. Let's add a little bit of that. And then just for a little bit of spice, I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. I said a little bit, right? Okay, cool. That's about it. Now let's start cooking our shrimp. All right, so we've got our pan. I went ahead and added some avocado oil in there. You can use olive oil, avocado oil, whatever you want. And now that it's nice and heated up, make sure to swirl that around. And we're gonna go ahead and add the shrimp. Honestly, shrimp, fish stuff just cooks really quickly. So just throw that in there. I usually maybe do like 4 to 5 minutes per side. Try to evenly spread that out. I was gonna use my bigger pan, but that was dirty, so this works. I use about this size pan for about 1 pound of shrimp. This one is the 3140 count shrimp. So depending what size you want, you can do bigger, you can do smaller. This is just what happened to be on sale. And honestly, this is like a pretty good, what do you call it, size, I think, for shrimp tacos or my shrimp scampi. I don't think I ever get like jumbo shrimp. I think these are kind of considered large for shrimp, which is interesting. Large shrimp, small shrimp, jumbo. So let's go ahead and cook that. We're gonna flip them over, and then we'll be done cooking the shrimp. So something I'll do when, say, I have more shrimp and like a smaller pan, is I'll kind of move the center guys out to the edge and move some of the edge guys over, just so that everybody can evenly cook. So get these boys in there nice and heated up. So who's ever already starting to look pink, we'll move them out. So that's just an easy way to kind of get everything evenly cooked. So this guy can probably... All right, so we've gone ahead and flipped all these guys around, and that's pretty much it. 4 to 5 minutes each side, maybe a little bit less depending on your shrimp size, but you kind of want them to get pink. You don't want them to get too gummy. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this heat down, and we're pretty much done. So let's start building our shrimp tacos, and then we can taste these. Okay, last thing, you can totally just do sour cream on its own, but I wanted to mix it up. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of the chile chipotle peppers and sour cream as kind of like a nice sauce to add to my, whatchamacallit, my shrimp tacos. I'm just gonna use a little container because you don't need that much per. I need to find a cute little tiny container for like sauces like this. Just because, you know, you don't want it too big because you don't want to mix, whatchamacallit. Okay, I think that might be good. Let's see. And then pretty much I want to just take the salsa from this. If you want, you know, go ahead and add your own individual peppers. I'm just going to go ahead and add and mix and kind of just add as we want. And I'll see if this needs like maybe any other seasonings. Let's mix that up. So we're just going to mix that up. And just basically this, you can just, to taste. I could put this in the blender and blend a whole chipotle pepper. Just want to get it that nice orange color. There we go. All right, pretty much just keep adding and tasting until you kind of get either the desired color, desired taste. But you can make this as picosito as you want, but just to give it, we're all about dimension today. I didn't just do plain tortillas. I added a little bit of sharp cheddar. We're not doing plain sour cream. We added a little bit of chile chipotle. All right, so let's start building our shrimp tacos. So as you can see, I have my cheese tortilla with a nice little coloring, little marbling, sharp cheddar marbling, and they're nice and flexible. So let's go ahead and start building our tacos. I'll see how many shrimp we can fit in here. I mean, if you want them loaded, load it on up. Let's see, maybe 4 little squares, 5. Okay. All right, so we got some loaded shrimp tacos. So with this pound, I think it was like over a little bit over a pound, probably about a pound once it like defrosted from all the ice. Loaded shrimp tacos. Ooh wee. Okay, so now let's add a little bit of the salsa. You can add a little bit more. These are for Frankie because I'm going to add cilantro. I don't do cilantro. Ew. Add some on the side. Cilantro, and I'm only going to put them on this set of tacos because I am not. We've had this discussion before. I am not team cilantro, but they do look prettier. A little extra-ness. And then I'm going to go ahead and add lettuce. I know a lot of people have been doing like coleslaw. I'm also not a coleslaw person. Whoops. Maybe I gotta try it again, I guess. I gotta find a good recipe. Sorry, I suck. But this is picky-ish person. Shrimp tacos with a nice little fun. And then let's go ahead and add some avocado. This is a little bit of leftover avocado that I didn't finish from breakfast. And I just didn't have enough or any like fresh ones to add, but I think this should be a good amount. So just add a little bit, just a wee bit, because this, oh my god, so we bought Costco avocados, and oh my gosh, those are major avocados. Those are huge. I can't like finish them. Like, and we do half, and we share a half, and that half feels like a whole Aldi avocado. No, bigger than like a whole Aldi avocado. Oh yeah, that's a good amount. Geez, this is like a little eighth of the avocado. And this is like the perfect amount to share for our shrimp tacos. Alright, I'll show you Frankie's because his looks a little bit more interesting. But ooh-wee, shrimp tacos. Let's do the taste test because I've never made these. Ooh-wee, all excited. This one with cilantro. Oh, you ready? Oh, wait, I don't know which one. They look good. Loaded.
Oh, was that spicy? Oh, is that the Cajun or Creole?
The Creole seasoning. And then I added the chipotle in the salsa with the sour cream. They're good, right?
Oh shit. It's falling apart, but it's good.
It's just very loaded. There's like 6 shrimps in each one. Shrimp tacos for the win. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna cut this off because these are good. Very good. You can honestly probably just do that Creole seasoning because it has a majority of those things in there. But I like the sour cream and the chipotle salsa. Super easy. You can just make it taste as you go. Doesn't need a little bit more chipotle. Does sour cream. Delicious. But we're gonna go ahead and enjoy these shrimp tacos. Honestly, super easy. You can basically bake the tortillas while you're cooking the shrimp tacos. I think the tortillas probably takes longer, like 10 minutes. Easy prep, something delicious and yummy to do when you're kind of feeling a little bit lazy, but you want something delicious. Oh, shrimp tacos, like this is gonna be a repeat soon. So let me know if you guys try this recipe or if you have some other added seasonings just to kick it up a notch. Like, is it possible? Or if you know any keto, like maybe breaded shrimp, but oh, so good. Not to toot my own horn, but delicious for winging it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all of my videos, keto, beauty, lifestyle. And I'll see you guys soon.